Hey everyone, this is my first and what I hope to be a long series of videos about our possible 3D printing business. Years from now we can point back at this and say that's where it all started, for better or worse. And just for fun, I'm recording this on my trusty Canon EOS Rebel T5i, the oldest digital camera I own, just for fun. To have a 3D printing business, we should probably have at least one 3D printer. So here it is, Bambu Lab P2S. Some of the marketing speak in there is it's touted as a fully enclosed Core XY 3D printer designed for hobbyists and professionals who want reliable, high-speed results with minimal setup. It has automatic bed leveling, intelligent print monitoring, a 5-inch touchscreen, and compatibility with the AMS2 Pro, which is what I have up here. That allows me to have 4 filaments mounted in there at a time. And you can see what we have here on the screen. Along with the printer, I did get a variety of filaments. I got the starter pack from Bambu, which had black, white, gray, and sort of a bright green. I got 10 assorted colors from Anycubic. This is all PLA. I also got a ruby red from Flashforge, PLA. And when I'm ready to move on to PETG, I got some filament from Sunlu. I got black and I have red. And all of that stuff is coming in the future. This is just sort of an introductory video to let you know where I'm starting from. So I'll be making more soon.